Can you really get any health benefits by adding a spoonful of coconut oil to your everyday diet? According to health experts, yes, quite possible. Learn 6 amazing reasons why you should eat a spoonful of coconut oil every day. Also, which type of coconut oil should you buy? Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified for instant update. Remember, after watching this video, if you decide coconut oil should be part of your daily diet, make sure to take it at the same time every day, just as you would with a vitamin. Eating a spoonful of coconut oil every day benefits. Help you to lose weight. When you're trying to shed some extra pounds, coconut oil can surely help you. It is especially helpful to burn belly fat. Coconut oil is thermogenic. It generates a high amount of heat to stimulate metabolism, increase the energy of consumption, and lead to burn fat. Keep your blood sugar levels steady. This healthy oil contains medium-chain fatty acids, MCFAs, which improves your glucose tolerance and reduce the insulin resistance. Kills bacteria and viruses. The body converts coconut oil's lauric acid into monolaurin, which kills bad bacteria, viruses, fungi, germs that cause infections, and even fight bad breath. So, take a spoonful of coconut oil and swirl it around in your mouth just before you head for a date next time. Make your bones strong. Coconut oil is rich in antioxidants, and it also increases the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins A and E, as well as minerals like calcium and magnesium, all of which are beneficial for increasing bone volume, prevent bone loss and connective tissue. Build beautiful skin and hair. The fatty acids in coconut oil help in nourishing the overall health of your body, giving utmost nourishment to your skin, nails, and hair. This oil increases your body's ability to absorb vitamins A and E, which are vital for beautiful skin, strong nail, and hair growth. Prevent cancer cells to grow. When we eat coconut oil, our bodies produce chemicals called ketones. These ketones provide energy to healthy cells throughout the body, while neglecting cancerous cells. Without adequate energy to fuel their mutated growth rates, cancer cells are unable to replicate as fast. Apart from all the above, this oil is not only extremely beneficial for overall health, but is also easy to add to your daily meals. Now we will tell you which type of coconut oil should you buy. You'll find plenty of options at the grocery store, where it's often kept in the health food or cooking oil section. But the healthiest variety to add to your diet is unrefined virgin coconut oil, which hasn't been bleached or processed with chemicals. The lack of processing also helps preserve important antioxidants. Choose an organic brand to get best benefits.